Hey, peace family, what's going on? This is Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. Thank you for coming to the page. If you have no earthly idea who I am, my name is Cornez, as I just said, and I do talk a lot about business credit on this channel. If you're unfamiliar with that, that's pretty much you being able to get funding via your business rather than the individual with the social security number. I talk a lot about that on this channel, as well as ways to make money online, free ways you can make money online, and maybe getting passive income and things like that. If that interests you, then please stay tuned, check out the page. I'll put a link where I have a free business credit ebook. It teaches you step by step, and I put a video up here along to go with it. And you have any question for me, feel free to reach out to me at toosmarttobebroke@gmail.com. If you want free ways to make money, go to toosmarttobebroke.com/free money, and there'll be a few apps and ways you can actually get started, or you can just surf through the YouTube channel. Peace. I love you.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.